Hello guys, how are you? So in that continuing lecture series related to data science, I am covering the various most important topics which must know for the every data scientist while doing their projects or while doing it in your interview. So most of the times interview will ask you questions related to this one, and though it seems very easy topic, but most of the times we get confused. So question number one is what is p-value, or what are the hypothesis testing and null hypothesis testing, and why you need to do them. Or or they will also going to ask you, have you ever done hypothesis testing, and explain me with very well reason and in the simple language how it can be done and what are its results. So I will tell you the testing is nothing but it is the probability of measure of the events. So in the testing you will get to know that while doing our machine learning problem, there are always two cases. There is one target which is dependent, and two are means remaining are independent features. So in the hypothesis testing, we are going to check that does that independent features are dependent on the target feature, or is there any relation between those two features. Suppose the null hypothesis. What is null hypothesis? Null hypothesis will going to tell you that there is no relation between the any features on the target feature. So it's try to say that there should be status quo and there will be no changes. Means whenever you are going to use the null hypothesis, it indicates that there is no need to use any features, or you should accept your problem as it is without making any changes. And what is alternative hypothesis? Alternative hypothesis said that if the probability of event occurring, such as if there is any changes in one features will going to affect the other features or the output of the model, then definitely that null hypothesis is false or wrong, and you should go towards the alternative hypothesis. And once you accept the alternative hypothesis, then you should move towards your next problem, that feature selection, then selecting some features. So there is some probability value and its range lies between 0.005. So if the value of p is less than 0.005, then it's indicate that there are strong evidence that feature is dependent on other variables, and you should accept the alternative hypothesis. And suppose if the p value is greater than 0.005, then you should reject the alternative hypothesis and you accept the null hypothesis. So what is the p value here? P is nothing but the probability value, and its range lies between 0 to 1, and most of the cases that value is kept between 0.005. So based on that testing criteria, you can select which feature is dependent or which variable is dependent, and you can give the answer very well. So thank you.